Welcome to CJ Money Entertainment, and today I am making baked honey garlic salmon. These are fillet and these are basically chunked. Now a lot of people don't like salmon because salmon is a very strong fish and it has a little kind of aftertaste to it. However, it is very healthy and it's easy to cook, and you can make different types of salmon with it. Fry it, bake it, grill it, teriyaki. So what you need to do first is preheat your oven to 425, and then do like I did in this pan. Get a baking mat, spray it down, lay your fish down. Now if you got a skin on it, what you want to do is lay the skin down. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. In this bowl, I'm going to add some ingredients. This is going to be a quick, easy recipe. You're going to need some honey. And you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of honey. So let's do that. This recipe is basically for like 2 fillets. And due to the fact I have 4 fillets, I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons of honey, which is basically going to take all the rest of my honey. Hi, honeybees. Marinate this fish, but we're not going to do it too long because, you don't want to, when the fish is already thawed out, marinate it for too long because fish can go bad quick. So there's the honey. You're also going to need some soy sauce. Now, if you don't have soy sauce, you can use Worcestershire sauce. And you're going to want 2 of these as well. Two. But if you have 2 fillets, you're going to do 2 tablespoons. Then, if you want to, you can add distilled vinegar. And you're only going to need 1 teaspoon of distilled vinegar or rice vinegar. I'm not adding vinegar because I am going to add some juice from my minced garlic. And my minced garlic, you're going to need like 3 or 4 garlic cloves minced, which, there's my juice. But of course, I'm doubling my recipe. And because it's a garlic, it's okay if you add a little bit more because, see, that garlic is what's the flavor that it's going to be. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Now, if you're really not into garlic, then add a little less garlic. I'm really into garlic, so I'm going to do my little thing and add me a little bit of garlic powder as well. Not much, but just a little. You also want some pepper. Normally I would use ground pepper, but I ran out, so I'm just going to use a dash of pepper. I'm going to add a little dash. I ran out of parsley. I ran out of cilantro. And I don't have lemon pieces. So you use 1 large lemon, you slice that, and then that's what you could get ahead and put on. With this, I'm just going to put a dash of lemon juice. A large lemon would be about, I would say, a tablespoon of lemon juice. But, I'm doubling this recipe. Okay. And now, we're going to whisk this all together. And it's a little thick because of that honey. It'll be a little thick in the beginning. until it gets all mixed together. I'm going to mix this really well to pour it on my salmon. That's the rest of my sauce. I'm going to stick this in for 15 minutes and then look. Because of the different sizes and the way salmon is, I'm going to really say, unless you have a really thin piece of salmon, if you have any thicker piece, then you should do 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'll show you how it looked and if I'm going to, what else I'm going to do to it. So